Did you know that Mexican coffee beans from Chiapas are grown in volcanic soil, giving them a distinct fruity acidity? And what if I told you that some of the world's rarest coffee beans, like the Maragogip, also known as the elephant bean for its giant size, are native to Mexico? Stick around to find out why these flavors and varieties make Mexican coffee a true hidden gem in the world of specialty brews. Welcome to Tea and Coffee Explorers. Today, we're diving into the rich and unique world of Mexican coffee, a place where volcanic soils and rare coffee beans like the Maragogipe come together to create something truly extraordinary. Mexico may not always be the first country you think of for premium coffee, but its diverse growing conditions and heritage produce flavors that can rival the best-known regions of the world. In this tasting guide, we'll explore what makes Mexican coffee special and help you discover why it's a must-try for any coffee lover. Despite these incredible qualities, Mexican coffee is often overlooked. Many assume it's simply average or can't compare to beans from places like Colombia or Ethiopia. The challenge here is that most consumers don't know about the volcanic influence or the rare Maragogi beans that grow in Mexico's fertile soils. There's a misconception that Mexican coffee lacks the complex flavors and quality found elsewhere, but that's only because the best beans often stay local or go unnoticed on the international market. The real challenge for coffee drinkers is recognizing the true potential and discovering these hidden gems. Let's take a journey through the regions that make Mexican coffee so unique. First, Chiapas, where the volcanic soil contributes to a bright, fruity acidity in the beans. The volcanic minerals add layers of complexity, making every sip a new experience. Then, in Veracruz, where high-altitude growing conditions and coastal influences create a smoother, more balanced coffee, with hints of chocolate and nuts. And of course, we can't forget Oaxaca, home to the Maragogipe, or elephant bean. These beans are huge and produce a cup of coffee that's rich, earthy, and incredibly full-bodied. An experience unlike anything you'll find elsewhere. From the mountains to the coast, Mexican coffee reflects the diversity of its landscape. Let's take a closer look at three standout Mexican coffee varieties, one from Chiapas, another from Veracruz, and the Maragogipe bean from Oaxaca. When you compare these flavors, the differences are striking. Chiapas coffee, with its volcanic soil, offers a bright, fruity acidity. Imagine the sharpness of citrus paired with a clean, refreshing finish. Veracruz, on the other hand, brings out deeper, smoother notes with a creamy texture and hints of chocolate and caramel. And then, there's the Maragogipe from Oaxaca, known for its bold, earthy flavor. The richness is unlike any other, giving you a full-bodied experience that really transports you to the mountains of Oaxaca. Each of these coffees offers a unique taste, showcasing just how diverse and exciting Mexican coffee can be. So what did we learn today? Mexican coffee is far from ordinary. It's a complex, diverse, and deeply rewarding experience. Whether you're enjoying the bright acidity of Chiapas, the smooth balance of Veracruz, or the bold richness of Oaxaca's Maragogipe beans. These aren't just coffees. They're stories of the land they come from, each one telling a different tale with every cup. So next time you're craving a unique coffee experience, don't overlook Mexico. It might just surprise you. Now, it's your turn. What do you think of Mexican coffee? Have you tried any rare beans or unique flavors from Mexico? Let me know in the comments. And if you're curious to explore more coffee, check out my last video, How to Make a Caramel Macchiato at Home Better Than Starbucks. It's a great way to elevate your coffee game at home. See you next time on Tea and Coffee Explorers.